Beetroot and goat cheese appetizer. Ingredients. 1. 4 medium-sized beetroots, washed and trimmed. 2. 4 ounces, about 1/2 cup, goat cheese. 3. 1/4 cup chopped walnuts. 4. 2 tablespoons honey. 5. Fresh thyme leaves, for garnish. 6. Olive oil. 7. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 3. Place the washed and trimmed beetroots on a baking sheet. 5. Drizzle them with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Tightly wrap them in aluminum foil individually or as a group, and place them on a baking sheet. 1. Roast the beetroots in the preheated oven for about 45–60 minutes. 3. Or until they're tender when pierced with a fork. 3. The cooking time may vary. 5. Depending on the size of your beets. 5. Allow them to cool. 7. Once the beetroots have cooled. 9. Use a paper towel to gently rub off the skin. 11. It should come off easily. 13. Slice the beetroots into rounds or wedges. 15. And arrange them on a serving platter. 17. Crumble the goat cheese on top of the beet slices. 19. Sprinkle the chopped walnuts over the goat cheese. 21. Drizzle honey over the beets and goat cheese. 23. Garnish with fresh thyme leaves for added flavor and a pop of color. 25. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious beetroot. 27. And goat cheese appetizer. Please let me know how this turns out for you. Enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe.